You want to do a very gentle thing too?
You want me to show you what's first?
Yeah, because she's scared to death right now.
Gentle.
I like your color a lot.
Casey, would you like to pat Skritles too, gently on the head?
Very gentle, so you just
Remember, she's not going to hurt you. She's more scared of you than you are of her.
you just want to scare her. She's fine.
This? I like your color a lot.
I know, it's very pretty. Do you want to go say hi to Chewey now?
Hi, Chewey.
Chewey wants to be petted.
Yeah. Hi,
Chewy says it's my turn. It's my turn,
Very
guys.
much a cuddle bug over it.
She really wants
Casey, would you like to pat Chewey?
I would pet it her, Mom.
You did, good job. Like Chewey.
Remember, same thing with Chewy. She's not going to hurt you, remember?
Casey, right up here by my hand.
There you
Good
go.
job. I know they're so soft.
Chewy's probably going to jump on your bed and get in your bed with all your stuffed kitties.
She does have a lot of stuff.
Then I better keep my doors open.
Yeah. Yeah, she looks comfortable with you.
Yeah. Do you want to pat Chewey again?
Huh?
Skritles is still resting.
What is this Skritles doing? What's she doing over there? She's just hanging on to Daddy, huh?
She's just taking us.
Yeah. She's a little scared right now.
It's okay.
Okay, and what is your name?
Casey.
And what is your name?
Toby.
Toby. Okay, and Mama?
Amy.
And Daddy.
And Greg.
Great. This is the family that's going to adopt these two little cats together. So we're going to say goodbye to our little girl here. She's been such a sweet little Chewy Chew. We're going to miss you, girlfriend. We're going to miss you. Okay. Well, enjoy your family. Your extended family now. Okay. Thank you.